Hi friends, in this video we will see top 10 technical interview questions about chiller system. Okay friends, let's begin our topic. What is chiller system? A chiller is a machine that removes heat from a liquid via vapor compression, absorption, refrigeration cycles. This liquid can be circulated through a heat exchanger to cool the equipment or space. Types of chillers. Depending upon the cooling of gas in the condenser, chillers are classified into two types. In that, first one is water cooled chillers and second one is the air cooled chillers. What are the major parts in the chiller system? Compressor, condenser coil, evaporator coil, expansion valve, primary pump, secondary pump, condenser pump, AHU or CSU units depends upon our usage, blower or fan section, motor, air filters, cooling tower fans. What is the pressure? Evaporator outlet towards AHU inlet supply water. Here pressure is around 7 to 10.5 kg per centimeter square. This supply water pressure can be depends on the height of the building, number of AHUs and vertical length of the pipeline. But requirement is that 2.5 to 3 kg per centimeter square pressure is enough to get sufficient cooling efficiency. This requirement pressure means 2.5 to 3 kg per centimeter square pressure can be achieved by using balancing valves at the supply water lines towards the AHU or CSU units. What is the temperature? Evaporator outlet towards AHU inlet supply water. Temperature is equivalent to 7 degrees centigrade plus or minus 1 degree centigrade. What is the pressure? AHU outlet towards evaporator inlet return water. Here pressure is around 2.5 to 3 kg per centimeter square. What is the temperature? AHU outlet towards evaporator inlet return water. Here temperature is around 12 degree centigrade plus or minus 2 degree centigrade. What is condenser approach in the chiller system? Condenser approach CA is equivalent to saturation temperature minus leaving water temperature. For safer operation point of view, CA means condenser approach range should be 3 to 4 degree centigrade. Above this value we will get scale formation result. Cooling efficiency will going to decrease. What is evaporator approach? Here evaporator approach EA is equivalent to leaving water temperature minus saturation temperature. Here EA range is around 1 to 2 degree centigrade. Safe and economical point of view. If beyond this value scale formation, this results cooling efficiency of the chiller system may be reduces. Here you will get little bit confusion in the formula of condenser approach and evaporator approach. In the case of condenser approach, saturation temperature is greater than leaving water temperature. That's why in the formula condenser approach is equivalent to saturation temperature minus leaving water temperature. Why? Because saturation temperature is more in the condenser. In the case of evaporator, leaving water temperature is greater than the saturation temperature. That's why in the formula of evaporator approach, leaving water temperature minus saturation temperature. Why? Because leaving water temperature is more. Which refrigerant used in your chiller system? R134A. What are the properties of refrigerant? Low freezing point, high evaporator pressure, low water solubility, high vapor density, high critical pressure, low condensing pressure. Applications of chiller system. Industrial applications like area or space cooling, process cooling, plastic manufacturing industries, metal plating and anodizing, food processing units, software industries, commercial industries like shopping malls, broadcasting industries like theaters, Okay friends, if you got any doubt or any questions in these topics, mention in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.